Hey everybody, this is Sherry Ellis with the Gillott Home Team, getting ready to take you live through a fabulous listing in the Millersburg area. We're out here close to easy I-5 access for anybody who needs to travel on the freeway these days. But anyway, we're out in Millersburg. We're just going to give it a couple of minutes while we're waiting for this to go live at 11. Looks like I've got sun there. If I go this direction, maybe it's not so bad. Anyway, let me turn this around and just kind of show you guys a little bit of the outside. I'll do this again at the end of the video for anybody who catches us a little bit late. But here's where we're at today. We're at 5512 Luckiamute Court, and this is our offering out here. It's a fabulous 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. It was built in 2003, has 2,010 square feet. It's a nice big garage on it with a workshop built onto the side of it as well. It's on a little over 1/4 of an acre. And we're offering this one at $375,000. So if you're interested, sorry, $275,000. Facebook Live is so much fun. So anyway, I want to give you guys a little bit of an idea of what's happening here. Okay, let me get my numbers straight. It's $375,000. So here's your video tour of the cul-de-sac. And just gorgeous area, actually. Really, really nice homes. It's a very private little location back here as we go. And you're back here at this house here. So let's go ahead and take a walk in and give you a little bit of an idea of, what your neighbors' places look like. You'll notice that there's extra parking. You are in a cul-de-sac, so you have a little bit of an angled backyard, which gives you a little bit more space, and this one has some private space behind it. So, but you see as you come up to this driveway here that you do have room. You could park 4 cars here. I think there's extra room here on the side if you wanted to have room to put a trailer, boat, something like that. You've got room for it. Just a really cute little front of the house there. I'm going to turn this way and see if we can get a little bit better angle. So we have some nice fresh bark dust and it's just a gorgeous little lawn. And for some reason it's telling me not to turn my phone, so I guess I won't. So anyway, let's go ahead and take a walk, take a look at the neighborhood from here, see what you'd see. See some really nice houses next to you, so some really great neighbors that are available. And just kind of located with you here, so that makes it nice. Everybody's taking really good care of their house, and that helps your property value. So we do have some nice fiber cement siding on the home, and some board and lap down below and board and bat up above. And what a cute front porch. Isn't this just cute? Just get to walk up on it, and it's all ready for you. So you do have a nice covered front porch. So as we shelter in place with the coronavirus, you got a little place out here where you guys could all sit on your front porches and wave at your neighbors on their front porch. So here's a view from the front porch as you're looking out. You have a nice covered area, get you up and out of the weather when you have visitors over or when you're unloading groceries, something like that. So, all right, well, let's go ahead and walk on in. As I mentioned, it's $375,000. Sorry. And as you come in the front door, you're gonna just walk in. You have a nice dedicated entry space here, which is nice. I'll just kind of walk around the back of it so you can see how that looked. So you've got a little nice side light window. And off to this side here, when you come in the door, is going to be your garage. So if you did want to park in the garage and come on in, you've got access right off the kitchen, which is great. So if you take a look to the right, you're going to walk into an actual formal dining room, which is right off the kitchen. But this is what this room looks like. And it's just nice space, got a huge picture window out to the front of the cul-de-sac, which is really nice. And you do have some mountain views on that side. You can see them out this window, and I'll point them out again when we get outside. So, anyway, but you've got plenty of space here for a nice formal dining room. And you can see that it does access into the kitchen from here, but we're gonna go this way first. So if I was back at the front door, here I am coming in the front door, and you can walk straight in. I want to show you this lovely kitchen, which is open to the living room. So all of the appliances stay. So you've got a newer dishwasher, but you've got a range, microwave, and refrigerator that are all planning to stay with the property, as well as the washer and dryer. And I'll show you those in a bit. But we've got lots of kitchen space. You can see that you can come around here. You've got room to park a couple of stools on this side if you wanted to for a little eat-in area. And nice can lights in the kitchen, so you've got good lighting all the way around. LED bulbs looks like it's in already, so that's fantastic. I want to show you something else that's great. This little room over here that you thought might be a closet, well, it's a huge pantry. Look at that. So this is great. That's not even garage space. That's pantry space. So you could walk right in here, and I won't, but you could just see how nice and deep that is. I guess I could take a little walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps in. That's how big this pantry is. So this is fabulous. So anyway, this is a great feature to this home, and it's just right off the kitchen. So I could see that being set up. You could put all kinds of things in there. You could add a coat closet area in there if you wanted to as well, but I would have that thing full right now. So, but these folks are getting ready to move. So anyway, so then we're going to walk on in. I'm going to back up a little bit so you can see where you'd come up to the stairs. So there was the front door, the garage door, the pantry, and then you would have the stairway. And the stairway only leads to one bonus room, and I'll take you up there last. So that's the only thing on the second level. Everything else is main level living. So you can throw the kids up there when they want to get rambunctious with all kinds of things. But the stairs are directly across from the kitchen. So that's the layout. And then as we saw, the kitchen does move on around and connect straight to the dining room here on this side. So it's a great layout. So anyway, come on in here to the living room, and you can see that we have the vaulted ceilings and the ceiling fan. It's a nice big living room space, separated enough from the kitchen that, you know, your dirty dishes aren't going to show over there in the sink. If you don't want to do your dishes after you've had company or whatever, you can sit in here in the living room and you can enjoy yourself without having that mess be seen, but you're still open to it for, you know, just our open style living these days. So I want to show you, if I back up here a little bit, you can see how wide this hallway is that goes down to the bedrooms. So it's a nice open space, doesn't feel like a tunnel or anything like that, nice open space. And over here you would have that extra coat closet. So you're not losing that space by having that big pantry under the stairs. But so you do have a nice coat closet here. I'll step back and you can take a look at that. Plenty of space in there. So down this hall, we're going to find a laundry room, a hall bath, and 3 bedrooms. So the first bedroom you're going to walk into, you've got just a nice space. They're good-sized rooms, a nice little closet on this side, window out to the side yard. I'm just kind of going to walk around, see if you can get the feel of this bedroom as I back up a little bit. And it's a nice color. So I'm going to just move on out of this one. We're back to the laminate floor. So we do have carpet in the living room. I should have mentioned carpet in the living room, laminates in the rest of the floors from the entry to the dining room into the kitchen, and then of course down the hallway. So I'll angle down so you can see that. So, but you know, a lot of people do want the carpet in the bedrooms, and it's really nice carpet. It's in good condition. Everything looks great. So into room number 2 off the hallway, and here we are. So you can see that we do have the blinds on all of the windows as well. So that's an expense that a buyer won't have to manage after closing. So we've got really nice floor coverings, and we've got really nice blinds on the windows. Everything's ready. It is just a super, super nice house. Bigger closet in this bedroom. So you can see that. Lots of room in here. And it's got some shelves in there. I guess I can point on the other side. Let's see if you can see those shelving units that are in there. So we do have some shelving units in there that are already built in for you. Hope I'm not bouncing around too much with the camera, guys. Okay, so then let's pop on into the next room. And right across the way from these 2 bedrooms is the laundry room. So there's a pocket door on here, so you can close this door off. So that will close for you if you wanted to for noise. And it is vented, so you can see in the ceiling that you've got a vent in here if you had some, you know, extra dry clothes or steamy clothes. But the washer and dryer are planning, you know, the sellers are willing to leave those with the house as well. You do have a nice hanging rack, and you have some cabinets in here to keep all of your laundry things up and out of the way. Plenty of room for a laundry basket as well. So if we head on down this extra wide hallway again, I mean, it's a really nice wide hallway, folks. So come on down here, and we're going to find the hall bath. There I am, woohoo! So anyway, it's a nice convenient little bath. It does have a tub shower combination in here. So you can bathe kiddos in this house real easy. They've got their own tub shower combo. And just a nice efficient little bathroom. You've got room for all of your items down below in the cabinets. And then I'm gonna take a step back again. So we'll come in this direction, and at the end of the hall, you're going to walk straight into the master. So the master also has vaulted ceilings, so it's a nice spacious feel in here as you walk in. Nice big picture window to the backyard. And then if you go to the left, there's a huge walk-in closet with hanging racks and shelves all the way around. So nice and big in here. Lots and lots of space. And you come back out and into the bedroom. See that nice vaulted ceiling. We also have a nice ceiling fan in the bedroom, just like the living room. Big picture window to the backyard, which is great. Lots of room for everything. And then you're going to walk on into the master bath. And it's a nice, good size bathroom. Plenty of room in here. Get a full mirror up front. I know, don't call me Kris Jenner. I have readers in these sunglasses. That's why they're still on. Anyway, so nice tub shower combo in here as well. And you've got a little toilet area over here, so it's kind of hidden around the wall without a separate room, but almost separate. And then, of course, they have a really nice big linen closet and storage closet in the master bath. So you've got extra room for linens and just all kinds of stuff. So lots of room in there. And it is a nice, like I say, tub shower combination again. So one piecer, which is nice and easy to keep clean. And you also have a window in here with privacy glass, which is really nice for just getting a little bit of extra airflow. One other thing that I like about this house is that there is actually a door off of the master bedroom to the back patio. And I'll show you the back patio from the other side as well. But this one comes up off the master. So perfect setup for a hot tub out here so that you could just pop in to the hot tub and pop back out and get into bed. But anyway, you'll see there are sliders come off the living room right there, and then you're into the backyard. So since I'm here, let's go ahead and take a look outside. So nice big backyard. You're on a little bit over 1/4 of an acre. And I'll just kind of get out in the middle and I can take a little look around for you. So beautifully landscaped. I mean, it's really nice. They've done a really good job with taking care of this house. There's a gate over here on this side, so you can get to the front yard from there. And then you've got the nice fence around, and I'll show you. I'll do a little over the fence look for you in just a minute. But if you come around this side, you can see where it comes all the way around here. I mean, just really pretty landscaping. So anyway, come on over this side, and you've got a nice shed over there. Oh, I hear a little puppy dog, but it's not going to bark at me, I guess. So they do have a nice little garden shed over here. There he goes. Nice little garden shed over here, but you also have another gate on this side. So it's just a really nice big yard. You can do all kinds of different things with this backyard. So there's a gate to get to the front yard and to the driveway again from here. AC unit. So this one has gas forced air heat, if I didn't tell you that, and AC. So that's great. Couple other things that I might want to tell you about that. You saw the huge pantry that the appliances come with, lots of parking, vaulted ceilings. Oh, we haven't seen the bonus room yet on the upstairs, so let's go back in and take a look at that. Fenced yard though, nice and private. Let me just pop a little look over. You guys are like way high on this side. So if there are houses back here, you just can't see them. They're just down low. So I'll show you what that looks like over the fence. You're just all raised up here. It just looks like there's nobody even back there, which is great. So it's a nice private backyard. All right, let's go in and take a look at the bonus room. I'm going to wipe my feet before I head back in here. I'm going to take you in through I'll shut this one and take you into the living room. Trying not to move this camera too fast and make y'all sick. Okay, so We're gonna come back in the living room side, give you a little view from here. So see, that kitchen's kind of hidden if you needed it to be. Let's go on up the stairs. You're gonna love this room. Same thing here, nice wide stairway. You don't feel closed in here at all. So has a little bit of a landing, all really nice carpet. Turn the corner, there's a separate door, so you could actually close this room off just like this. And you have this great bonus room, another vaulted ceiling, lights and fan, and then this huge picture window that sets out over the front. So we're over the garage basically in this bonus room, looks out over the cul-de-sac. But a huge room. I mean, this could be a 4th bedroom if you needed it to be, but I would definitely keep it for a bonus room. So there's that. Any questions? I guess I haven't been looking. I know there's all kinds of comments on here, so I'm not really sure if anybody's asking questions, but you can always text me later and I'll answer for you. Okay, so now I want to show you the garage. The address on this one is 5512 Luckiamute Court in Albany, but we're out in the Millersburg area. So it's a great commuter location. I'm going to hit the garage door opener here because I want to come in from the other side. They've got some things in the garage and it's a little full, but we're at 5512 Luckiamute Court out in Millersburg. It is an Albany address, but it's Millersburg area. So it's a great access to and from, you know, if somebody needed to go to and from Salem or Eugene, it's really easy I-5 access out here. So I've opened the garage just because I want to show you this extra workspace back here. So it's got a nice double car garage, and forgive it, they're getting ready to move, and so you know things are a little bit packing is not always neat. So here are your mechanicals. You got a little area where they're tucked back in, and you also have the post to keep anybody from running into them. So your furnace is out here, your hot water heater's out here, all the strapping's done, ready to go. But if you come back to this side of the garage is what I want to show you. There's a whole little workshop here on this side with a man door to the backyard. And then you have this workshop area, which is perfect for even just a hobby woodworker or, you know, anything like that. And then your 2-car garage is on the other side. So you're not going to run out of space here. So it's fabulous. So the options are just great here. So if you'd like more information on this one, I'm going to hit the garage door opener again and take a little walk out. Let's see here if I can make it go down. Maybe not on that one. Okay, so anyway, back into the house. And like I say, if you have any questions, just give us a call. We'll be happy to answer them. This is going to be posted so people can watch it again and again. I'm hoping that I gave you enough turns in each room that you could actually see what each room had to offer and how it looked. So let me turn this around. I know I can do it somewhere. There it is. It's me again with my sunglasses on. Again, it's Sherry Ellis with the Laura Gillott Home Team, Keller Williams Realty, Mid-Willamette. And we're at 5512 Luckiamute Court in Albany, out in the Millersburg area, priced at $375,000. It is a 2003 build with 2010 square feet and 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, a covered back patio, a covered porch, easy access to I-5 for north or southbound traffic commuting. Very convenient and very private little cul-de-sac here that we're going to be parked in. I'm going to give you one more tour of the outside so that you can see the extra parking. It did have a nice fiber cement siding, which is fabulous and easy care. Room to park 4 cars at least, plus what might be on the inside. So give us a call. It's probably the best value you're going to find out in Millersburg today. And let's see if we can't get you in. We can do everything virtually. We can, you know, we just did your tour. It smells great. That's the only thing that you don't get to get from the video tour is what it smells like, and absolutely smells fabulous. So we can take your offers. We can do everything virtually. You don't have to leave the comfort of your couch. We can talk to your lender. We can talk to your inspectors. We can write up your offers. We can sign everything electronically. We're just really set up to take care of your business in every way that we possibly can. So hope you're all staying home and I'm going there right now, but there's nobody here, so I'm still practicing social distancing. So stay safe, wash your hands, and if you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you. So that's me, over and out, and you guys have a great day. Let's see if I can turn this off.